Is CapCut free? There is a lot of confusion about this topic, so let me clear things up. The basic features of the CapCut software are completely free. There are also no different versions of CapCut to download depending on whether you are a CapCut free user or a CapCut Pro user. So yes, while there is CapCut Pro as well, you only need CapCut Pro in order to use certain effects and features within the regular CapCut Pro application. Now, as far as CapCut Pro goes, you can see all the prices here. What is interesting with CapCut is that even the free version is very extensive. So what can you do in the free version then? You can actually import as many video clips and photos as you want to use in your projects. You can add text to your videos, audio, all these basic functions are actually free. You can also export your videos at full length even on CapCut free, so you don't need a Pro subscription for that. You can even remove the background of a video completely for free on CapCut. To do that, make sure that your video clip is selected, then in the upper right corner go to Cutout and then click on Auto Cutout. And just like that, CapCut is going to remove the background of your video. This doesn't always work amazingly well, but let's be honest here, other apps are also still struggling with that. Furthermore, you can speed up videos for free, you can slow them down for free, and you can also use keyframes for free to create your own effects such as a zoom in or a zoom out. Now, where things get a little bit weird is when it comes to the question how to know which elements are actually free and which are not. At least on desktop this can be confusing. For example, if you go to effects here in the upper left, typically when an effect is only available for Pro users, you would see a Pro icon in the upper left corner. However, on desktop this sometimes just doesn't appear. But anyway, to know for sure whether you have used a Pro element or not, you will always find out when you try to export a video. Because then when you use Pro elements, CapCut will tell you that you used certain Pro elements and that you need to upgrade if you would like to export the video. In that case, you will have two choices. Either you will upgrade or you simply remove the Pro elements from your video. And if you do that, you can then go on and export your video. Now on CapCut Mobile, things are much more clear. For starters, when you open up the application, on top you will see this Pro icon, which on the one hand tells you that you're actually a CapCut free user, and on the other hand, if you would like to become a Pro user, you can simply tap on it, and you will then see the exact subscription plans. Also, when you already opened up a project, it's very easy to see on CapCut Mobile whether something is free or not. For example, when you tap on Effects in the bottom toolbar, and then go to Video Effects, you will immediately see which effects are free and which are not. All the effects that have the Pro icon in the upper left actually need a CapCut Pro subscription. But there are actually quite some effects that don't need a Pro subscription that are pretty cool as well. You can actually preview and apply all effects even if you are on CapCut free, which is pretty cool because you can already see how it would look like on your footage. But let's say you apply a Pro effect such as the color flicker effect here, so I would tap on that. I can see how that looks like in my footage above. And to truly apply it, I would tap on the checkmark icon now. And now if I would try to export that by tapping on the up arrow in the upper right corner of the screen and then tap on Save to Device, you would get this screen here. You're using Pro features, and to unlock these features you would indeed have to pay for CapCut Pro. But as far as the free version goes on CapCut Mobile, be it on Android or on iPhone, here as well, actually all the basic features are free, so you can easily cut your footage, you can add several video clips to your video, you can add photos, you can speed up videos, you can slow down videos, you can basically export videos at any length, and all that is free. So just some special features, effects, transitions and so on are paid. And that's it. I hope this answered your question whether CapCut is free or not. But what about watermarks when you're using CapCut free? Well, in fact, CapCut is going to add a watermark to your video by default on CapCut free. However, there is an easy way for you to remove these watermarks even on CapCut free. Watch the next video on my channel to find out how, and don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe for more CapCut tutorials.